Using videos in the classroom is nothing new, but the way we use videos must transform to meet the needs of today's new education standards. No need to fret though. The next few minutes will be spent covering some common concerns and hopefully their solutions. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. First, let's talk about time. It seems like there is never enough time to cover all the content that we are expected to. And now with increasing demands with Common Core state standards, it feels like time is shrinking and we have even less time to cover even more information. So how on earth are we going to accomplish this? And where does this leave time for showing a video? Video can actually be part of the solution here. Using videos from pre-approved educational companies saves you a lot of time, as these companies have already screened the videos to make sure they meet grade and content needs, and often these videos come with a teaching guide. This is a great time saver as a lot of the work has already been done for you. There are also many free-to-use videos available online. Just make sure that you have the time to find that just right clip to meet your needs. Our next challenge is, how do we keep our students engaged? Long gone are the days of just popping in a video and letting it play all hour. We've all seen this look before. And let's be honest, haven't you caught yourself nodding off after you've watched the same video, say, 5 or 6 times? How can we expect anything less from our students? We have to engage their brain, not just show a video, but use the video, teach with the video. Don't be afraid to stop the video to ask questions or have students participate in a group discussion. Remember, your classroom is not a movie theater. We're not expected to show something from start to finish, but to use it for our best purposes. We know that learning occurs when we are doing, so let your students do, rather than just have them watch. Moving right along to challenge number 3, technology. This is kind of the Murphy's Law scenario. If something can go wrong, it will go wrong. We've all been there before. You can't get the TV to turn on, or the VCR or DVD player to work, or you're needing to show something from off your computer and there's an error code. Or what worked yesterday, today is now filtered and you don't have access no matter how hard you try. It just isn't going to work for you, and of course technology can't come right away to the rescue. The solution here is to always have a backup plan, another activity that your students can work on in case of technical difficulties. We've all been there, the infamous Plan B. Have one and you should be in good shape. The last challenge we are going to look at is copyright. Most videos are protected under federal copyright law, so how do we know what is okay and not okay to use in our classroom? While this is a very complicated issue, the answer is actually quite simple. As long as you are showing video based on its content and have tied it directly to your lesson, and let's be honest, we've already talked about the fact that we have less time to cover more each year, so long gone are the days of showing a movie just for fun, you are covered under what is called the Fair Use Doctrine. This exception, if you will, allows for the use of copyrighted materials, including videos, for educational purposes. So there you have it. Using videos can be a great way to enrich your learning environment. Just make sure you use your time wisely, focus on clips and activities that will engage your students, always have a backup plan, and practice fair use. Remember, videos are teaching tools. Use them to best fit the needs of your learning situation. Good luck and keep teaching and learning.